Welcome to Mind Games, Riddles Challenge 2. Let's begin. When the world turns white and the storms rage high, I dance in the shadows beneath the grey sky. Some think I'm a legend, a playful ghost. In snow-covered valleys, it's me they'll boast. What am I? Answer: Yeti. I descend from the heavens in delicate lace, transforming the landscape a white, tranquil space. I veil the world gently, a cold, muted sound. What am I? A whisper of beauty profound. What am I? Answer: Snow. Rising from earth with majesty and might, clothed in a crown of eternal white. I guard ancient tales in my silent embrace. What am I? A giant that time can't erase. What am I? Answer: Mountain. In a cool, sweet fortress where flavour stands tall, I come in bright colours, a treat loved by all. Chilled to perfection, I melt with delight. What am I? A summer joy frozen just right. What am I? Answer: Popsicle. In a castle of magic, where wonders unfold, I brew in the winter, tales whispered and told. With a wand in my grasp and a heart full of cheer, what am I? A charm that brings warmth this year. What am I? Answer: A wizard or Harry Potter. I swirl and I dance with a furious might, blanketing landscapes, transforming the night. I roam through the skies, a wild, frigid beast. What am I that makes winter feel like a feast? What am I? Answer: Snowstorm. I'm solid and clear, a chill in the air, formed from the liquid that's everywhere. Though I hold no warmth, I twinkle and gleam. What am I? A winter's enchanting dream. What am I? Answer: Ice. In snowy mountains high where the cold winds play, with a coat like a shadow I prefer to stay away. Some say I am gentle, a giant unseen. In tales whispered softly, I'm a myth in between. My home is the frost, where the frost-bitten air. What am I? A wonder that few ever dare. What am I? Answer: Bigfoot. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.